Culture was on the palate of residents in Hanover on Tuesday at a People's National Party meeting. The party's General Secretary, Dr. Dayton Campbell, told supporters that agriculture will be a priority if the PNP becomes the next government. This time around, he wasn't the only one doing the talking, as residents were also encouraged to have their say.
All the land that is on the flat is now being used for housing. And that is the arable land that should be used for farming. We have an area that is reserved for housing.
Neris Hawthorne has been living in the parish for decades. She says growing up, there was designated land for farming, but presently,
it's just wasteland now. Nothing is on it. Nothing. And the farmers have to take to the hills where they can't use the proper instruments.
Dr. Campbell agreed that there are several issues affecting the agriculture sector, and if taken seriously, he says, agriculture can be the ticket out of poverty for many.
The first issue that we need to resolve is the issue of land, access to land. So one of the first things that we're going to do is that as we get into office, we're going to ask for a land inventory of all the lands within the different parishes. Amen. And all of the arable land that we find, we are going to cut them up into 5-acre leaseholds and lease them to persons so that they can go there and put it under production.
Kimberly Petty for TVJ News.